Hello everyone and welcome, and in this video I am going to be reviewing RESEMBLE AI. Now RESEMBLE AI review, we want to see which is the best voice cloning tool out there. Now this is RESEMBLE AI official website and we are here. So what it does, it helps you create your own AI voice, generate your own voice AI models that it helps to generate or create your own AI voice by using a generative voice AI model that are indistinguishable from humans. You want to do, just click on clone your AI voice. So what the things it offers, the features it offers are voice cloning, where you can record or upload your voice to create your AI voice, text to speech, where you can use high quality human-like text to speech, speech to speech, where you use real-time speech to speech voice conversion, multilingual, where you build your executive voices in 60 plus languages, audio editing, and then we have some cases over here. You can also check AI enhanced learning, transformation, education for children, transfer bedtime, and the rest of them. So let's look at what else. It can also help you to detect. It has state-of-the-art detection model. It aids in the safe deployment of generative voice AI, so it can help to detect deepfake. That is real-time multimodal deepfake detector. It also has AI watermarker to protect your IP. It has voice enrollment for identity protection, and it has explainable AI with audio enabled language model for audio intelligence. So let's look at it. Let's look at the pricing, because it says you can create AI. Before we create, let's look at it really deeply. So we'll talk about this creating AI voice for real. So you put it, you can ask to synthesize or auto generate it for you. Processed by about 2 million teams worldwide. You can see them. You can detect deepfakes before they damage your brand. Don't wait for them to go viral. Use the detection system to spot manipulated content before it reaches your audience. So this is it. And this is a text to speech that sounds human. This multilingual voice changer that actually works. Hear how it helps. From people's testimonies, you can see them. So the Red Games.com collaborated with RESEMBLE AI to create Crayola Adventures. So it was used for this particular game. Yes, they can develop your own infrastructure. You can learn more about it using on-prem. So when you're ready to get started, you can book a demo. And so let us look at the pricing, which is actually what it has. A some great features. Let's see if what it. Now pricing that scales with you. Try it for free, no credit card needed. So we have the first plan, which is the creator plan, and you pay just $1 for the first month and $29 for every month after that. So it's an affordable step into professional voice cloning, perfect for individual creators. With all the things you get, 10,000 seconds free each month, and all this. So if you want to sign up, click on sign up. Then you have the second plan, which is the professional plan. You pay your $99 per month and you get all the features in creator plan. At the same time, you get all this extras. Then if you like the third plan, it's $499 per month, which is the business plan, where you get a comprehensive plan with full API access for large scale integration. You get everything in the professional plan. At the same time, all this. So wherever you click on sign up. So you can request a demo if you want. Let us see if we can try it for free. Let's sign up. We also have enterprise, but you have to contact them. So for you to sign up, you can sign up with your Google account, with GitHub, with Microsoft, or with your email. So let's do email. So I like using my email. So you use your email instead. And you put in password, and then click on sign in. Sorry, we're not signing in, we're supposed to sign up. So click on sign up. So continue with email sign up. So you put your first name, you put your last name, your work email address, your password must be, look out the requirements for the password. So let's put in the password. It must meet everything. So after putting in your password, you have to put in you have to confirm the password by putting it again. Sorry about that. So once you're through, you click on sign up. So you see the password is too short, so I have to use another password again. Wow, it's too short. These people really want to put password. Alright, so here's it again. Okay, let's see this password accepted. Click on sign up. So your password must meet the minimum requirements, 12 characters. Now they say it must include at least one lowercase letter, one special character. So we have to do it again. Okay. This is a very serious case. This will be up to 12 characters now. Yeah, it should be. Then click on sign up. They're very particular about their passwords. So a message, a confirmation code, a confirmation link has been sent to the email. Please follow the link to activate the account. Okay, so I'm going to check my email to see if I can get the link. So we're going to check the email, and once we get the link, we're going to activate it. So that's it. I click on the link to verify the email address, and now I can log in from here. So I can now sign in. Sign in, and then sign in again. Okay, I'm going to put my email address here. Sorry. So I put in the email address and then click on sign in. And we are in. So that is it, we are in. So now we can design a voice, to craft an AI voice, choose from 3 AI generators, refine and retry. So click on next. So this is voice design. Enter description of your custom voice or use a sample prompt instead. You can find a script to preview your AI voice, and the rest of time click on generate. So this is where you have this chance. So you have text to speech. You can start the free things you can do: text to speech, speech to speech, edit, dictate, project, and my voices. It's as simple as that. So please give it a try. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more. Thanks.